Obviously, this is not the most comfortable position, but lagan man ta, so.
11 hours later.
It's so good to be back with Ocean. Warwick and I were here in Dinagat like 8 years ago, and this is just so surreal that we're back and we were greeted by this rainbow. It's so beautiful. When you're in San Jose, Dinagat Islands, we highly recommend Vine's Bed and Breakfast. They got just basically everything you need in your stay. They have good food. They have their own restaurant in front of the property. They have a boardwalk. You can have a really good time watching sunset with your family there. First stop, Hagakhak Rock Formation, rising majestically from the turquoise waters of Dinagat Island. But how did this natural wonder come to be? Hagakhak Rock Formation in Dinagat Islands was formed through a combination of geological processes over millions of years, typically created through a process called erosion. Erosion occurs when external forces like wind and water wear away at rock formations over time, gradually shaping them into the unique structures we see today. In the case of Hagakhak Rock Formation, it's likely that relentless pounding of waves against the coastal cliffs of Dinagat Island played a significant role in sculpting the intricate patterns and formations. The composition of the rock itself can influence its formation. Different types of rock eroded different ways, leading to the creation of distinctive features such as caves and spines.
O, diba? Type of trivia. Para sa wala nakabango.
Now we know it's trivia.
Like many other regions in the Philippines, Dinagat is characterized by a significant number of karst formations.
Karst is a type of landscape formed by the weathering of rocks.
Since Dinagat Island is predominantly made of limestones, that makes it highly conducive to the formation of karst features.
Did you know that karst landscapes cover about 10% of the Philippines' land mass?
Now we know.
Those of you who have been to Coron, to El Nido, this is actually Palawan's sister. It's its own beauty in Mindanao. I mean, we have this here. When we were in Dinagat before, like 8 years ago, we never had Dinagat tour agencies that you can find in Facebook. But right now, there are a number of them, and many tourists are now visiting Dinagat Islands because going around the island now very easy and very convenient because of these travel agencies. I'm just so happy that finally Dinagat is getting the attention that it deserves. Kapag pasa ka bitaw, kung adult ka mo, makaya lang yun siya mga 5 minutes. If magdala mo bata, most probably it will take you like 10 to 15 because you can only hold rope and branches of the trees. But it's super duper worth it. You have to climb when you get there. And anyway, if you or the kids get tired after the climb and the descent, you can always swim. Masarap lumangoy, and it's a very, very beautiful place.